Hi everyone, today I am doing a video on how to incubate hatching eggs step by step, along with the incubator that I use and how I clean my eggs before putting them into the incubator. These are zombie eggs that I collected from my AM Samaniroo. And leghorn hens, as you can see, they are dirty. Anybody that has leghorns knows that this is pretty clean compared to what they usually look like. Unless you're changing the nesting box every single day or multiple times a day, depending on how many birds you have. Now let's look at the eggs. We want to make sure that they are good to go in the incubator. No cracks, nothing leaking out of it. This one is fairly clean, so that's I'm just going to set aside to put in. This one I will wipe it. It is very gross. So I'm just going to have two piles going. Just again, checking for any problems. You don't want any problems going into the incubator. Stuff like this I'll wipe off too. That's pretty good other than the feather with the straw. You just want to make sure that they are fairly clean going in because of bacteria, anything like that. So you don't want bacteria and problems going on with your babies or in your incubator. So far they're looking pretty good. So ones like that I won't wipe. Oh, okay, so here we go. So this one has a crack in it. This I would not ship to anyone, and I will not incubate either. So that is no good. Okay, that's disgusting. Okay, so this one with the crack in it, we're going to remove. And we're going to wipe some of these down and then get them in the incubator. Okay, so we're out on the porch because there's way better lighting out here. It's easier to see, but when I am done setting the eggs, I will be bringing it inside. The porch is very humid and hot. Okay, so we got rid of the egg that was bad. We don't want to accidentally incubate that in case it explodes. So the eggs that have like nothing on them, where there's nothing gross or anything, you're just gonna write on them what they are. Or if you're just hatching one thing, you're not hatching multiple birds and you already know what it is, then don't worry about it. So that's the zombie. I just do that for me in case I get the urge to hatch anything else. So this is our turner, one of our turners. You're going to put it pointy end down inside the turner. And I will show you what that looks like. I'm not going to make you watch me label every egg. So for the dirty ones, these are just baby wipes. So here's one that has some grossness on it. Don't wipe the whole egg. You don't want to take that protective coating off of it. Just the gross. And then that's it, just the really gross stuff. And then make sure it's not wet going in. So here's a really bad one. Just kind of scrape it off. Don't want poop, don't want bacteria, don't want problems in your incubator. If some are extremely bad, like this, sometimes I just won't even incubate. I know I definitely won't ship them, but sometimes I won't incubate them depending on how bad it is. But it is coming off, so yeah, we're good. So again, only wipe what you have to wipe. Don't wipe the whole egg. Don't soak the egg, because you're taking away that outer layer that protects them from any kind of bacteria or problems. Okay, so that looks a lot better than what it did. And the baby wipes don't hurt anything. I do this all the time. You see all the birds I hatch. I have tons of birds. Okay, so I'm gonna label these, put them inside of the turners, and then I'll show you what that looks like. So now we have all the eggs inside of the turners. They're all pointy end down, and they are going to remain like this until day 18. Then they will go on into lockdown. So for lockdown, I put a piece of shelf liner and take out the turners and just lay the eggs on their sides. I'll do a separate video about lockdown and hatching, assisted hatching, all that stuff, whatever you guys want to know about. I've hatched well over 1,000 birds at this point. Okay, so they're in there now. I have water in my incubator, and now I'm going to put the lid on. We have the lid on now, and from there you're going to want to make sure that you have your turner on. This is what I press on my incubator to reset mine. So now it's counting down from 21 days and it's on auto turning. So I know everyone does a little different, but for my eggs, the temperature I keep them at is 995, and ideal humidity throughout I do around 50–55%. Both of these matter. The temperature matters, the humidity matters. You don't want the humidity too low because they can shrink wrap in the egg, but you also don't want it too high, especially near the end, because they can drown in the egg. It might sound intimidating to incubate eggs. I promise it's not. There's not much to it at all. Right now I'm just looking at my humidity. Like I said, it's hot on the porch, so it'll drop to the temperature I like when we get inside. And then my temperature is just taking a little bit to catch up because I just plugged in my incubator about half hour ago. Okay, so this is the incubator I use. It's Matacoops X. I got on Amazon. Really amazing price, really amazing quality. I have 2 of the 30 slot ones and 1 of the 20 slots. They're all amazing. What I love about the 20 is for the water, it comes with a bottle that you can just take out and fill. With these, you just fill this. It has the vent on it, which is nice too. The candler is incredible. It works really good. You have your temperature adjustment, all these different settings. And I saw on Etsy that people actually make accessories for this incubator too. Like handles, dividers, which is really cool if you hatch a lot of chicks that look alike but they're not the same breed, or they're similar to color at birth. So that's pretty neat. I absolutely love this incubator. Okay, you might hear thunder in the background, but that's all right. Also, this is Tiki. He's been here the whole time, so you could probably hear him meeping in the background a bit. He's always he's always around somewhere. But yeah, that's all there is to it for setting and incubating eggs. Let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see the candling, the lockdown process, the babies hatching, anything you'd like to see, I'm happy to share my knowledge. I've been doing this just a few years now, about 4 years, and I love it. I'm obsessed with hatching, everything to do with it. If any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Can you not? I'm happy to answer any questions. Bye, guys.